Hello, Elizabeth here, and today I've got a super quick video tutorial on how I customized this Toronto Raptors phone case. Just a reminder, anytime you're using logos or licensed images, you have to make sure you have the proper rights to them in order to sell any creations you make with them. Mine is just for personal use. It's a gift for my dad for Father's Day. But if you plan to sell anything, again, just make sure you have the proper rights. Let's do it!
First, I downloaded an image of the Raptors logo. I just found it on Google Images and uploaded it to Cricut Design space. The image I downloaded was already a PNG file with no background, but at this point you would just remove the background if you need to, and then add the cut file to your canvas. Then you can resize it to whatever size you need. I want the letters and the basketball to be two different colors, so I'm going to click Contour in the bottom right corner, and then click on all the pieces of the basketball to make them disappear. Then I'm left with just the words. Next, I'm going to duplicate the layer and hit Contour again, this time clicking Hide All Contours, which will hide everything, and then I'm clicking all the basketball pieces again to make them appear. And now this layer is left with just the basketball. So now that I have the basketball and the words in two sections, I can make the basketball red and the letters white, which looks lovely. However, I actually want to just cut them at the same time, so I'm going to make them both the same color so that Cricut Design Space will organize them onto just one cutting mat instead of two. But because I did that contour step, it is in two separate sections, so I can drag the basketball over here and cut two different colors of vinyl to go on my mat at once. I'll just be following the measurements and grid lines here to make sure that the vinyl I cut is the right size, and I'm ready to start the cut. As you can see here, I have my two different colors of vinyl on the mat so that I can cut them in one process. Once the cuts were done, I weeded the excess vinyl, leaving just the logo. This is Oracle 651 permanent outdoor vinyl I'm using, so I'm hoping it will be nice and durable. Next, I cut a piece of transfer tape big enough for the entire logo. Using my scraper, I picked up just the letters on the tape first, and then I lined it up around the basketball and again used my scraper to carefully pick the basketball up onto the transfer tape as well. So now both sections of the logo are aligned perfectly on the transfer tape and it's ready to apply to the phone case. I did a quick wipe of the case with some rubbing alcohol before applying, just to make sure there is no dust or oil on the surface. And once that was dry, I placed the decal on the phone case and just used my fingers to press it down into place. Then I carefully peeled back the transfer tape, and that's all there is to it. I love the way this decal looks on the black background. I think the colors look so crisp and it looks like some legit Raptors merch.
I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment letting me know what you would like to see next. See you later!